I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Debt Blue reviews. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please stay tuned. So as I have mentioned, today I'll be talking about this website. It is Debt Blue and the reviews. So let me begin with, as most of us in our lives, at some point we must be having some kind of debts, but basically they must be a small amount of debts, like say 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. But there are some people who have to borrow a huge amount of money, and basically this amount is not given to them by the bank as they are not eligible. So those kind of people, they opt for money lenders or landlords who basically have their own high rate of interest, and they provide you as much as amount as you want. But the drawback here is that they charge a very high percent of interest. Like suppose in bank they may charge you, for example, 7% or 6%. Here the landlords may charge up to 10%, 12%, or as per they wish. So regarding this website is known for that. This website basically helps people to get free from their debts which are associated with landlords and people, and who are literally blackmailing those people, and they have no other option. As we have seen, there are so many cases of suicide and other things, mostly regarding this kind of stuff, like people have taken a huge amount of money and they can't repay it, which may be a serious problem for them. So as you can see, I've opened the homepage. There's basically, this website is based in the United States. So here in Blue Debt Reviews, we'll be telling you about this website. As you can see, they basically help you with also a credit card and debit card for settling, and you see they're all the associates. Okay, so Deplo is a famous a name which helps people, and basically they've mentioned that they have 20 years of experience, and also famous reputed sites like Trustpilot. As we all know, it's a very good website for reviews. In Google, we all must be knowing what is Google. They have given very good reviews regarding this website. So basically you can enroll in their program. They charge a certain amount of fee, I think, but it won't be much. So you have to basically enroll in this program. They also give you one free consultation call, which you can basically see the number is given. You can call them and they will advise you further. So this is the quote. Basically you have to write your name, address, phone number, and your amount of debt, and basically either they will give you a call or they will send you a mail or message regarding that. So this is said 2 steps to debt freedom. So here they have literally straightforwardly said that you can call, and basically the executive who's receiving your call will give you a certain answer closure to how you can basically pay off, or get just basically relieve your tension. Yes, see, this is as you can see the example. This lady owned about $88,000 of debt, and she has settled in 1,600. So basically, these are all people whom this this website has helped. And here are the reviews by Trustpilot. The Trustpilot is rated at 4.7. As you can go down, basically there are all types of issues related to debt and how you all can basically get over it. These are the websites which have rated this website a very high number of ratings, like 4.7 and etc. So Deplo reviews here focuses that this website is very good and recommendable, as they've this website was registered long back in 3rd of March 2018. So they have given all their testimonials, etc., all the information about the company, etc. And this is basically, they said that calls will get recorded. That's it. And as you can see, this is the website. So this website was recently trending in the news, hence this topic was for today. This website is quite nice and innovative, as many people are facing this debt problem, mostly from landlords and other people. So with this, I would like to ask the viewers to please give me their remarks on this news. How you like today's topic, and if you all are facing any debts, you all can please go ahead and comment and basically opt for this website. With this, we come to the end of this video. I would like to conclude that this website is sounding quite nice and the reviews are also very good. So if you all are under any debt, so you can just do a free call, as they have mentioned. They have given the number. They have one free consultation call. You can go for it and basically call them. With this, I come to an end of this video. I would like to tell you all that we read all of the comments on every video, so please keep commenting. And also like to request you all to please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. Thank you for waiting till the end. Be informed, be safe.